Welcome back to our channel, where we focus on tips and tricks to help you live your healthiest life. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're exploring a crucial topic: kidney health. With kidney issues on the rise, it's essential to take proactive steps to support these vital organs. Tonight, we'll reveal 7 bedtime drinks that can help repair and rejuvenate your kidneys. Let's dive in. Number 1. Lemon water. Lemon water is a fantastic drink for your kidneys. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is known for its antioxidant properties. A study published in the Journal of Urology found that citric acid, a component of lemon juice, can help prevent kidney stones by increasing urinary citrate levels, which inhibits calcium crystallization in the urine. To make this drink, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it before bed. This can help flush out toxins and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Number 2. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is another excellent option for supporting kidney health. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, according to research published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition. Ginger can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to kidney damage. To prepare ginger tea, steep a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water for about 10 minutes. Chamomile tea is renowned for its calming effects, but it also benefits kidney health. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology indicates that chamomile has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help detoxify the kidneys and reduce inflammation. This tea can also improve sleep quality, which is vital for kidney health. Simply brew a chamomile tea bag in a cup of hot water and sip it before bed to relax and support your kidneys. Number 4. Unsweetened cranberry juice. Unsweetened cranberry juice is well known for its benefits to urinary tract health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that cranberry juice can help prevent urinary tract infections by preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls. Since UTIs can lead to kidney infections if left untreated, drinking a small glass of unsweetened cranberry juice before bed can be a great preventive measure. Number 5. Dandelion tea. Dandelion tea is a lesser-known but powerful drink for kidney health. According to research in the Journal of Medicinal Food, dandelion acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine output and helping to remove excess waste from the kidneys. This tea also helps reduce water retention and supports overall kidney function. Brew dandelion leaves in hot water for 10 minutes and enjoy it before bed to help keep your kidneys healthy. Number 6. Turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, or golden milk, is a potent drink for kidney repair. Turmeric milk, or golden milk, is a potent drink for kidney repair. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been shown to have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. A study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry highlights curcumin's role in reducing kidney inflammation and protecting against kidney damage. To make golden milk, heat a cup of milk or a plant-based alternative with a teaspoon of turmeric and a dash of black pepper, which enhances curcumin absorption. Drink it before bed to support kidney health. Number 7. Barley water. Barley water is a traditional remedy with proven benefits for kidney health. Research published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology indicates that barley water is rich in fiber and essential nutrients, which help support kidney function and promote detoxification. Barley acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine output and helping to flush out toxins. To make barley water, boil a handful of barley grains in water for 30 minutes, strain, and drink it before bed. These bedtime drinks can play a significant role in supporting and repairing your kidneys. By incorporating them into your nightly routine, you're taking a proactive step towards better kidney health. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments which drink you'll be trying tonight. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and advice. Stay healthy and see you next time.